Hello and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. We're looking at Usdjpy. Looking into some of the important areas of the market with this pair. We are currently still using the same reversal zone from 3 weeks ago now. So it's still failed to break out of this region here. As we see, we've had multiple bounces, not really making that clear move. This is why I'm holding this reversal level here. So until we get that proper retest, sorry, the breakout with the clear retest and then the push, then that is when I believe that we are back into trending in a trending market with USDJPY. So something to take note of. Obviously, this Friday is the NFP. So there will be a lot of volatility here, and I think this is why there is a lot of indecision in the market right now. So pay attention to your risk management on that day in particular, as well as Wednesday as a pre-release for NFP. I expect to be a lot of wick hunts fishing about. So let's look into the analysis. What I am going to continue to hold on to is this reversal level. So this is at 108.534 to 108.389. So we need to see basically the repeat again. Although we've had the multiple retest again of this level, we're failing to see that instant bullish sentiment. So as soon as we see that bullish sentiment, that could be a consideration to buy. Also have a look at the volume as well. If there's a high emerge of volume in that area on the breakout, then that is a likely indicator that the market is moving to the upside. Now, if we also check out the RSI is still indecisive, but the EMAs are still converging as a buying intention. So we can still see that we've had support multiple times, especially on both of the EMAs. So we're still in that buying pressure right of now. But for whatever event, if price does fail to hold this area, we could see price close to the downside. This is the second scenario here. And then if we get the push back into this reversal zone, we should expect some sort of wick behavior to the upside, so rejection, which this yellow zone basically becomes support. And then we could see potentially price to make its way and break this uptrend that we currently have, and also piercing through and testing our weekly level 107.886. So something to consider about on the downside momentum. It could be likely that it could happen due to the NFP, and there will be a lot of volatility in the USD pairs this week. So make sure you're keeping that into consideration. So yeah, I think that will be all for this week. If you are getting any benefit from our videos, or if they're helping you at all, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Seeing a lot of new faces here, and also if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out our Twitter page. We post a lot of other stuff on there, and also gives you a chance to ask any questions or interact with the community. So that will be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.